Looking for a wire wheel brush that cleans and blends metal surfaces without leaving marks? The Forney 6-inch fine crimped wire wheel brush is built for just that. It delivers gentle yet effective abrasion, perfect for removing rust, paint, and light burrs while preserving the integrity of your metalwork. What sets this brush apart is its fine crimped steel wire bristles. They offer a smooth finish, avoiding the deep grooves or scratches that coarser brushes often leave behind. Whether you're restoring a vintage piece or prepping metal for welding, this brush makes the job cleaner and easier. Designed for light to medium duty brushing, this wire wheel fits standard bench grinders with 1/2 inch and 5/8 inch arbors. It spins safely up to 6,000 RPM, giving you plenty of power to tackle surface imperfections without compromising control or safety. Many users praise the Forney wire brush for its durability and performance. One review highlights how the fine grit removes rust efficiently without sending loose wires flying, which means less cleanup and more consistent results every time. That reliability makes it a smart addition to any metalworking toolkit. If you want a versatile brush that blends surfaces smoothly and removes unwanted buildup without damage, this Forney wire wheel is worth a look. It adds real value by combining effectiveness with a gentle touch, helping you achieve professional quality finishes on your projects. Ready to upgrade your metal cleaning routine? The Forney 6-inch fine crimped wire wheel brush offers a dependable solution that balances power and precision. Try it when you're ready to get the job done right. Your metalwork deserves that kind of care. Explore Forney's full line of abrasive wheels to find the perfect match for your next project. Whether it's grinding, polishing, or cleaning, Forney's quality tools help you work smarter and finish stronger.